In this video I am showing you how you can pin a comment on Instagram. So firstly open your Instagram app and then click on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. After that you have to open any of the post in which you want to pin a comment. After that go to the comment section, and here what you need to do is you have to long hold any of the comments, and when you long hold any of the comments you can see in the top right corner you can see all these options, and here you can also find the pin button. Tap on the pin button in the bottom right corner. It means in the right side, in the left side of the trash button, and it is pinning comment, and now comment is pinned. Here you can see. So you simply, and if you want to unpin the comment, simply tap on long hold the comment and then tap on the again on the pin button, and then you can unpin the comment by clicking on the unpin button. So that's it, at how you can do this. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon to get notifications of such new informative video, and also don't forget to like, share and comment on this video. Have a good day.